Configuring AWS Amplify DataStore is a straightforward process that enables you to leverage a scalable and secure data storage solution for your mobile and web applications. To get started, you need to install the AWS Amplify CLI and configure your project. First, install the AWS Amplify CLI by running a command in your terminal. Once installed, initialize a new Amplify project in your application directory. This sets up the necessary configuration files for your project. Next, configure your AWS credentials to allow the Amplify CLI to access your AWS account. You can do this by running a command that prompts you to sign in to your AWS account. After signing in, the CLI will configure your credentials. Now, create a new DataStore schema by defining your data models using GraphQL schema definition language. This defines the structure of your data in the DataStore. For example, you can define a model for a blog post with fields for title, content, and author. After defining your schema, push your configuration to the cloud by running a command. This creates the necessary backend resources for your DataStore, including a GraphQL API and a data storage bucket. With your DataStore configured, you can now interact with it using the AWS Amplify DataStore API. This allows you to perform CRUD operations, such as creating, reading, updating, and deleting data in your DataStore. To use the DataStore in your application, import the AWS Amplify library and initialize the DataStore. You can then use the DataStore API to perform data operations, such as saving a new blog post or querying for existing posts. Best practices for configuring AWS Amplify DataStore include using environment variables to manage your AWS credentials and DataStore configuration. This allows you to easily switch between different environments, such as development and production. Additionally, use data validation and error handling to ensure that your data is correct and handle any errors that may occur when interacting with the DataStore. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily configure AWS Amplify DataStore and start building scalable and secure data-driven applications.